Hello everyone and welcome to Peterson Restoration's YouTube channel. I'm finally back at it. I'm going to be doing this 67 shell that you see behind me, at least what's left of it. But if you've seen my stuff, you know that's pretty much what I'm always starting with, the rusty ones, and build them up from there. This is going to be a complete build, start to finish, from the way you see it to driving out of this garage. So I'm excited to do this car. I'm going to be videoing throughout the entire build. So plenty of videos to come. I'm going to be back at it pretty strong here, so keep up to date. There's a bell notification on your screen that'll let you know whenever I post these videos. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not, so that you get the updates of whenever I'm posting new videos. There's going to be a bunch coming. But I'm just going to show you real quick the car that I'm starting with. It is a 67 fastback. It was originally an S code. And I'm going to be making a Shelby replica out of it. It's going to be pretty spot on Shelby, so whenever you're walking up to the car, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference if it was a real Shelby or if it was a replica. Other than the differences that are going to be done to this build, it is getting a Rod and Custom front end to clean up the engine bay. It's going to get some of the engine bay panels that you've seen on some of my other builds. So everything's nice and smooth in the front end. It is also getting a big block engine, again, like a S code would, with a little bit of twist to it. We'll see that whenever it shows up. And it's getting a TKO X transmission, one of the new ones, so it's real slim. So I'm excited to see how that fits in the car, to see if I actually have to clearance the tunnel or not. That's just a little bit of a summary of what it's getting, but it is getting all the Shelby pieces: hood, front nose, trunk lid, all that, the wheels. It's going to look like a Shelby from the outside, but it's just going to be a wicked car whenever it's done. So I'm excited to do that. So that's what I'm going to be getting into the upcoming weeks and months that this car goes on to. So I'm going to do the shell first, fit the drive line, button up anything before it gets painted that I want to, and then we're going to send it out to get painted, and it's going to come back, put it back together, drive it down the road. So look forward to all of that. Just been busy here, that's why I haven't had any videos coming up, but the pink car's back in the garage. I actually bought all the suspension, which is sitting over there. I'm in the middle of blasting all of the original stuff. The rear end, I have the center section all redone, sitting there. I just have to powder the housing, axles, put the bearings in and whatnot. And there's the original style wheels and tires that would have came on the car. It was ordered with styled steel wheels with that white wall tire. So gonna be a sharp car. I'm gonna have some videos coming on that, putting the suspension on and getting 4 wheels on it just to see what it looks like, so it's able to be rolled around. And just some other cars that are sitting here. 69 shell that I just did, that's getting some cool stuff done to it. Just lots of stuff going on. There's lots of work, so I just haven't been making the videos, but you're getting videos coming up, so look forward to all that. Click a thumbs up if you're excited. I know I am. I'm going to get this car pushed over into my metal room, set it up on the jack stands, so that we can start cranking out some videos and get this car done. Thanks for watching. I'm glad to be back. Look forward to the next video.